Hello everybody, it's Steve Griffiths here, developer of the MTPredictor software program. In this help video, I'd like to show you how to install our latest version of our MTPredictor add-ons for NinjaTrader 8. First of all, you've got to download the installer, be it the standard version or the pro version from either our MTPredictor website or the welcome email that was sent to you when you purchased our MTPredictor trial. This is normally downloaded into your downloads folder. So if you go and find that and double click on it, I'm just doing that on a separate window. So I'm just double clicking on the installer that's been downloaded. Sometimes you may have to scan that with your antivirus. It depends on what antivirus software you're using. But once it's downloaded into your downloads folder, go and find it, then double click on the setup file. Now I'll pull this into the video and it will come up like this. Sometimes you have to go on more info just to allow it to run. This is just Windows being a little bit picky. So now do run anyway. Then you'll do yes on the next window. Now it comes to our installer and you just follow the prompts. It really is as easy as that. Oh, what I should have said at the start is make sure your NinjaTrader is closed. You can see I haven't got NinjaTrader open. NinjaTrader is actually closed, so make sure it's closed before you run our MTPredictor installer. So let's just follow the prompts. We do next, we accept the agreement, we do next, we just leave that as the default and then do next, leave that as the default, then do next. You don't have to tick this. This is just if you want to delete any saved data, perhaps when you're reinstalling or told to by our support team, but normally you just leave that unticked. That's absolutely fine. Then do next and then do install. And as you can see, the installer is preparing to install, and there it goes. It's installing and all done. Really is as simple as that. We just do finish. Now we can go ahead and launch our NinjaTrader. So I'm just going to double click on the NinjaTrader icon and just launch NinjaTrader. I'm just going to put in my password and then just log in. As you can see, it's now loading, and any second NinjaTrader will open up. It's loading there, and there you go. NinjaTrader has now opened. When we install MTPredictor, what we do is we add in a new item under the Tools menu. So if you go under Tools, you can see there's a new MTPredictor item there that has our settings, analysis, and gives you information about what version of MTPredictor you've installed. There are separate videos on those. So that just installs there. So right, let's now load a new chart, and to do that we can go new chart. Let's try one on the ES. Let's do a 3-minute chart. Oops, I'll just bring this into the video. Whoops, the chart's a bit big here. Sorry about that. I'll just going to resize it so it comes into the video. There it is on the video. Now, what we have also installed are predefined templates that allow you to easily add MTPredictor onto your charts. So all you need to do now is right mouse click, come down to templates. You see this? Templates, then do load, and here's our MTPredictor templates. So you can load which templates you wish. I'm going to load a 24-hour one here. You can see we have two for a dark session or a light session, depending on whether you've got a light skin or a dark skin in your NinjaTrader. If you use NinjaTrader, you'll be familiar with this. I'm using a light skin here, so I'm just going to do the 24-hour session, open, high, low, close, rather than candlestick, light, then load. And as you can see, it's just coming in, just waiting for a second, and there it is, all in there, very nice indeed. So there's your MTPredictor charts. You can see there's your charts there with our MTPredictor trade setups, our MTP trend, and our MTP VS signal. So it really is as easy as that to get MTPredictor installed and up and running on your NinjaTrader charts. What we do suggest, and we'll cover this in another video, is you open the charts you wish to follow and then save them in a separate workspace. So when you open and close NinjaTrader each day, what we suggest you do is you first close and save that workspace, and then close NinjaTrader. So it basically means that when NinjaTrader closes, it just closes with a dummy workspace. It means when you open NinjaTrader the next day, it just opens the dummy workspace, which has got nothing in it, no charts, no market analyzers, so it opens really quickly. Then once the NinjaTrader has opened fully, you can then reopen the workspace and then reconnect to your data feed. Just makes it a little bit slicker for opening and closing NinjaTrader each day. But we'll cover that in a separate video.